Okay, I'll do a room tour. This room is right off of the Centrum on deck 4. This is 4560. And a lot of people have seen room tours, and it was a brand new room, not lived in. I'm going to show you what it's like when it's lived in, one of the bunks down. The room steward just made the room while we were out. So we did get the tally animal with the remote control. And when there's stuff on the counter, you can tell how much counter space that we have. So we do have a refrigerator, an extra refrigerator for diabetic insulin. We did buy a cube for power because there is only one US port there. Bingo! And one there. So of course we have extra for our USB chargers. And you can see how much room there is here for drinks and to put stuff on. I'm sure you've seen the drawers, pretty standard on all the rooms. If you've seen a room tour before, nothing different here, just it's been lived in. Got our stuff. I do have magnets because of course the walls are magnetic, so you can hang stuff up. And if you've not seen a room tour with one of the Pullman beds, there is a light up there for whoever's in the Pullman bed, so they can see as well. The curtains do come out if anybody needs to change, and so you have sit out here while somebody changes over there if someone's in the bathroom. There is some strange power outlet in the bathroom. It says for razors, but I don't know what kind of razor was supposed to go for there. It does come with a 2-in-1 shampoo, but we bought our own shampoo and antibacterial soap as well. And it does have one of the clothesline hangers that retracts, so you can hang up stuff to dry, like your bathing suits and whatnot. The toilet. You do get floor towels. There's a little trash can. Extra supplies down here. I think that's where the tissues used to go before COVID. And of course we got closets in here. One of the tips that I have seen that did come in handy, we got ourselves a little Febreze smell good up there. That really does help in the room. I put it in the closet to help keep the clothes fresh, because when I was sleeping at night and I had it in the room, it was a little bit too much Febreze for a small space. Putting it in the closet or the bathroom would be perfect. Absolutely perfect. So we are leaving Costa Maya and heading towards Cozumel. It's dark outside, but we do have an ocean view room, and our stuffed animals are looking out the window, enjoying the dark night sky. And I sleep on this side. I don't really... in the middle of the night, apparently I reach up and I've hit things with my wedding ring. I've hit that with my wedding ring, but knowing that it's there, it isn't really an issue. So these rooms are nice. They're not the biggest room, but you know what? You're not going to spend much time in your room. You're in here to change clothes, shower, and sleep. And maybe I'll show this during the day so you can see what it's like looking out the porthole. But it is nice.